Hello family and friends. I'm so glad that you're joining me again this week. Last week I shared with you how to make a fabulous raspberry sorbet. Now you can eat the sorbet as it is, frozen, or I'm going to show you how to use some of the sorbet to make a hot fudge chocolate raspberry pie. It is to die for. And it's so easy. You saw how easy this was. Wait till you see how easy this is. This is just a chocolate pie crust. You can use the Oreo cookie, which would be really good. But I'm just taking hot fudge and I'm going to put it in the bottom, spread it around. It's about, I don't know, I would say just a little over 1/4 of a cup. And I'm using the Smucker's, if I can get my fingers out of the way. I'm using the Smucker's hot fudge mix. Just going to cover the bottom. Just a smidge more. Now, I'm going to spoon the raspberry topping over top of that. So I let it come soften a bit so I can pour it and it'll lay out nice and even. Now I did learn from the first one I made, I'm going to partially fill this up, but then I'm going to put it in the freezer and fill it the rest of the way. That way you don't get, when you're trying to move it, you don't get all the spillage around the edge. And guess what? That's it. It's that easy. And I'll show you what it looks like after it gets all frozen. I'm going the wrong way. Here we go. I'll show you what it looks like when it gets all frozen and cut. But this was a hit at Thanksgiving. So let me get this in the freezer and I'll show you shortly what it's like when I cut it.
time, right?
Yes, every time.
Used to. That's what
We are here.
That's what fun is.
Well, and I'll only talk certain
Don't forget that.
And we are at the top of the mountain. It's a beautiful view. A little chilly, but a little overcast, but still.
You guys okay? Yeah.
Okay, so here's what it looks like when it comes out of the freezer. Now I will tell you, my refrigerator's a little bit empty having coming back from the ranch. But when I made it at the ranch, I had whipped cream that I put on top, and I would drizzle a little bit of chocolate over top of that. I'm just going to cut a little piece. Oh, it might not be quite frozen enough. We'll take a look and see here in a second. Nope. Gotta freeze it up more. Okay, so I kind of cleaned up the edge a little bit from where I cut it earlier and it wasn't quite frozen enough. But here is what it looks like. Cut that crust well enough, but presentation's not the best, I guess. But this one looks the best. You can see the chocolate under there. And usually I put a little dollop of whipped cream, which I don't have, unfortunately. And let me get this chocolate melted a little better. And you just drizzle a little over it. And that's all there is to it. It really is that simple. So I hope you try it and enjoy it, and if you do, post a comment down below. Anyhow, till next time, make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye!